On the night of 1666, the history of London changed forever. A small bakery in Pudding Lane unleashed a spark that engulfed the city in flames, reducing it to ashes at that time. London's streets were narrow, and houses were made of wood, causing the fire to spread rapidly. Initially, the Mayor of London underestimated the fire and took no serious action, but soon it spiraled out of control. For 3 days the streets of London were engulfed in the wrath of the fire, claiming significant landmarks like St. Paul's Cathedral. Nearly 80,000 people were left homeless. After this devastating catastrophe, the responsibility of rebuilding London was entrusted to the renowned architect Christopher Wren. He revitalized the city with new plans and fire-resistant buildings. This tragedy gave London a new look, and the modern London of today owes its existence to that reconstruction